मेरी जिंदगी में छाई तुझसे बाहर क्यों है, मुझे खुद नहीं पता मुझे तुझसे प्यार क्यों है। हर वक्त मुझको रहता तेरा इंतज़ार क्यों है, मुझे खुद नहीं पता मुझे तुझसे प्यार क्यों है। Hey Mona, hi, happy anniversary. We just completed 7 years today. I just thought, let's do something special. It's been ages, it's been more than 5 years that I haven't done something special for you. Although I was busy with my work and you busy with all, family stuff and loving. So I thought, why not let's do something special this time.
We are schoolmates and I know each and everything of you both. Like the letters which Jai used to give, he used to give me, I used to give it to you, Mona. Then again you used to smile. Then the college days, we used to go by Rick, then come back, we used to fight.
And used to bunk lectures, and you guys used to come at my place.
Rajiv's house.
Yeah, and we used to enjoy a lot. I remember all the moments which we spent together. And at present also, we are spending the time together by partying and all. We both wish you the best for upcoming years, and we would even like to have more fun and spend much more parties, and like to enjoy the whole life as a friend with you. And we wish
you both a
very happy anniversary.
So I was just sitting idle yesterday and I was counting days, that how many days we have completed in 7 years. And I just thought, I got the calculator in and figured out it's 2,555 days. I would like to say, Mona, all those days were really special, but I remember the most 5 crucial days in this whole life of 7 years. First would be, I say, the day when I proposed you, which was on 16th August 1999. That was the very happiest day of my life because I proposed you and you said yes, because you are the one whom I always loved during my school days. You were close to me, and when you said yes, I was very happy. The second day, when we got hooked up, when we had that hookah thing done, which was on 22nd of Jan 2007. So that was again, I was chilled out, and I was like that. Finally, Mona is mine now. The third most beautiful day was the 4th of December 2007, the day we got married, and since then, the life was completely different and changed. The fourth most beautiful day is 27th Jan 2010, when Kabir was born. I think that day, I just can't tell how emotional I get when I think about that day, because on that very particular day, our family got completed. So that is a very important day of my life. And fifth is today, of course, because I am doing something which is very unique and special for you, which I have never done before. We have partied, we have gifted each other, but this is something which is I am very excited about it. I am sure after looking at it, you will be excited too. So to sum up the entire journey of 7 years, these are the most 5 special days that I remember and I would always appreciate.
Hi Jai, hi Monali. Wishing you a very happy
anniversary guys.
The first thing that I remember was me, Jai and Monali going to Bionas on Saturday mornings for breakfast from our college. Those were the days.
And the bunking days of your college.
The bunking was too good, and we used to sit outside the college instead of inside the college. We all were blacklisted, all the 3 of us, and we were in the same class. It's really special sitting here today and wishing you guys on your 7th anniversary. Hope you guys have many more anniversaries and more fun than this.
And you always remain the party animals as you are. Mona the sexy girl and Jai the rock star. Wish you a happy anniversary guys.
The day first I saw you, we were in a junior KG, and I still remember I was walking beside my mom and you were coming samne se, that's wearing that umbrella. At that point in time, I think that, God gave me a hint or a glitter on my body saying that I think this is the girl for you. So I still remember the very first day of school and I saw you. Then how we all participated in the school competition and stuff. And I remember the first time I proposed you when I was in 4th standard. We just went to teacher and said that Jai proposed me, and then teacher called my parents and I was fucked. So all those memories I just keep on thinking, and it just brings smile on my face. Then finally we got hooked up in 1999 when I was in 8th standard, when we were in 8th standard. And I still remember the first kiss I gave you at SL World in Bhul Bhulaiya. And that too I saw Pune seeing us, and I was bribing Pune not to go and tell teacher. So all those memories just flashes away. And then we came in college, and those days were like bunking classes and coming on the blacklist every year, calling my parents. My mom used to become your mom and attend the parents meet, all those crazy fun days. Then came the day where the struggle started, and I had to go abroad for my studies to become a man, to get my own identity. So then I know those were struggling days. We were like away for 2 years, but that very particular day, from a boy I became a man, and that's only because of you. Today, if I have to say my success is incomplete without you, I know how you have stood by me during my bad times. Of course, in good times, everyone is there around, but you have stood really strong during my ups and downs in life. The most beautiful and precious gift you have given me in life is my son Kabir. I would have asked nothing better than what you have given me. To sum up, I have so many things to speak, but I think if I'll go and if I get emotional, I'll keep on saying about you, saying about us. But I think the 7 years, all wild nights that we spent, all wild and crazy parties that we have done, I have almost covered half of the world with you. So it just I cannot sum up all the memories and the craziness that we have been together in a 3-minute video. Maybe it will take an ages to say and to show my love for you. Saying I love you lots, kiss you, miss you, it's all gone. That I have done when I was 10 years old, when I was in school. This is new era, so it is new style of showing my love to you. So I thought of doing something special. So I just want to say, be what you are. And I will always love you as I have loved you always. And I just want to say thanks for being in my life and making my life so beautiful and wonderful. Love you.